Hi there traders and investors. Today is Tuesday, January 30. I'm pleased to share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Today my trading plan for gold has worked out in part. Before discussing our charts, let's check the economic calendar for important news this week. Today, Tuesday, we got to know Germany's GDP, which stayed flat. A consumer confidence index and JOLTS job openings will be released during the New York session. On Wednesday, we will find out the ADP employment report, which prefaces non-farm payrolls. The highlight of the day will be the Fed's policy meeting and Powell's press conference. You should be ready for high volatility around the crucial news. As usual, we begin our review with gold. The price has updated the level of $20.38 per troy ounce. This level has been broken today. Those traders who bought from a swing low set a take profit 2,000 pips up and a stop 500 pips down. They have already earned with a profit-loss ratio of 4-1. From my viewpoint, gold is undervalued for the time being. I believe in the price of $20.63. This level was left by market makers nearly 1 month ago after the non-farm payrolls on January 5. I think that gold should be at least $20.63. I suggest we should benefit from downward retracements to enter the market with long positions. To sum up, all my targets have been hit one by one, so we could add more long positions. I've already taken profit with a ratio of 4-1. My next target will be with a profit-loss ratio of 10-1. Let's discuss the euro-dollar pair. Yesterday, I planned long positions. The actual move defied my expectations. The instrument formed a double bottom and rebounded. I suggested we close our positions at a break-even. The market situation is curious. It looks like a false breakout and a test of a swing low. Those who follow the swing strategy have already earned some money. Currently, I don't see any signs of a reversal. I detected a swing low which has been broken, but I don't see proper targets. The euro is now under selling pressure. The high was updated, but perhaps it was a false breakout. I'd rather wait for the news and stay away from the market in the meantime. The Australian dollar has been trapped sideways for a second week in a row. I want to buy the Aussie at a lower price. I will be happy if it actually goes down. The pound sterling is turning sore. The pound-dollar pair is also trading flat. I remind you that popular instruments usually get stuck in range-bound markets ahead of important news. Trades are anticipating the Fed's policy decision, Powell's press conference, and the NFPs. Trends will develop after the news. Let's be patient now. The USD CAD pair left a target upwards and touched its lows. I reckon the instrument may rebound. I'm ready for this development. Stay alert from swing lows on the 15-minute time frame. I've discovered a swing low. So the price is set to spike and bump it a swing high. Then the price will drop and rebound again. Thus, you may venture to buy the USD CAD pair with ambitious bullish targets. The dollar-yen pair is still going through a correction. I don't see any clear-cut setups for a trend reversal and swing points. I'm just watching the instrument, which is also trading sideways before the news. Let's watch and see. That's all for today. See you online later this week.